In front of me is VIVO Y22S, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this VIVO. First of all, go into Settings, then scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. After that, scroll down again, choose font style and click on the best one for you, in my case Classic Fonts. Now select Apply and wait. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. If you wish to, you can always access the same settings, but this time click on Download More. Now tap on the best font from here, maybe Walking Street. Tap on Download, wait couple of seconds and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!